In a small town where dreams often faded into the noise of everyday life, lived a boy named Suman. He wasn't the brightest student, nor the most confident, but he had one special gift: the way he heard the world. To others, those were just sounds: a train whistle in the distance, footsteps on the dusty road, the rustle of trees in the evening breeze. But to Suman, they were music, the rhythm of life itself. He dreamed of creating melodies that could touch hearts, music that could make people feel. But not everyone shared his dream. Also, his father told him that sound doesn't feed families, Suman. You need a real job. His dream was a language his world didn't understand. They wanted him to be safe, not inspired. But every night, when the world slept, Suman built his own world, one beat at a time, one melody at a time, one dream at a time. And shock, life tested him. His only laptop crashed, his music gone, his spirit silent. Gentle elder tone, his old music teacher, found him sitting alone. He smiled softly and said, "Dreams don't die with machines, Suman. They live in your heart. Start again." Often he did. He started again. He began recording the world around him: the rain falling on the roof, the laughter of children outside his window, the heartbeat of a town that once ignored him. He began ordinary sounds into extraordinary music, and his songs began to travel, first through friends, then through strangers. People didn't just listen, they felt it. And one day his song filled a hall of hundreds. So the same sound his town once ignored now moved every soul in the room. Suman stood there, not as a boy who was told to stop dreaming, but as a man who taught the world how to listen. Suman's not about where you start, but how deeply you listen to your own heart. And sometimes the smallest sound becomes the loudest dream.